Hi friends, Indian Army has given notification for recruitment of SSC officers. Before going into the details, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also please share this video with your friends. So applications are invited from eligible unmarried male and unmarried female engineering graduates. So only engineering graduates and also from widows of defense personnel who died in harness for grant of short service commission in the Indian Army. Course will commence in October 2021 at Officers Training Academy, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And here some eligibility criteria is given. Means must be citizen of India, subject of Nepal, so like that some conditions are given. So I will provide this notification link in the description. So please go through these points. And if you see the age limit for SSC, that is short service commission, tech men and SSC women, tech is 20 to 27 years as on 1 October 2021, 1st October 2021. Next, for widows of defense personnel who died in harness, so maximum of 35 years as on 1st October 2021. And if you see the educational qualification, candidates who have passed the requisite engineering degree course or are in the final year of engineering degree course are eligible to apply. Candidates studying in the final year of engineering degree course should be able to submit proof of passing engineering degree examination along with mark sheets of all semesters or years by 1st October 2021. And if you see different streams here, so for SSC, tech men, engineering streams are like civil, building, construction, technology, and these are equivalent streams like civil engineering, structural engineering, like that. Some branches are given. So vacancy are 60 for this stream, and for architecture 1 vacancy, for mechanical 5 vacancies. Means all these branches can apply for this stream of engineering branch. Suppose mechanical, if you see mechanical engineering, mechanical or mechatronics engineering who studied can apply for this stream. Mechanical and automation engineering, advanced mechatronics and industrial automation engineering, mechatronics engineering. So all these branches can apply for this stream. So likewise, electrical and electronics have 8 vacancies, electronics 2 vacancies, computer science engineering or computer technology or MSc computer science 31 vacancies, and all these are the branches who can apply for this stream. And also information technology 12 vacancies, electronics telecommunication 5. So like that, different streams, different number of vacancies are given here. And also for SSC women tech, same streams almost, and vacancies are different, like 5 vacancies, mechanical 1 vacancy, electrical and electronics 1 vacancy. So like the different streams and number of vacancies are given. So you can read out these carefully. And if you see, and these are the different promotion criteria and the salary structure, and these are the like pay scales and allowances, and the fixed stipend is 56,100 per month, and these are the other allowances. You see, para allowance, para reserve allowance, also all other allowances are given, children education allowance, like this. And if you see here how to apply, applications will only be accepted online on website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. So I will provide this website link in the description. In that, by visiting that website, you have to enter to the officer's entry application or login. So then registration, if you are a new user, means you have to register first of all. After that, you have to read the all points and you have to apply online, and some of the points are given here. So just read out all these points. And if you see the selection procedure, so after you submit your application form, there will cutoff marks is given, so that is decided by their officials. So based upon the cutoff, you will be called for interview, and only shortlisted eligible candidates depending upon the cutoff percentage will be interviewed at one of the selection centers. And this interview will be of 2 stages, stage 1 and stage 2. So who failed in stage 1 will be returned on the same day, and there will be medical examination. For that you are asked to visit this website for medical standards. So, and if you see the important dates here, the most important is the applications already started this 25th May 2021, and it will be closed 23rd June 2021 at 15 hours. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.